Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about US dollar index. So let's get started. Let me show you the weekly chart I made on October 15th. This is the US dollar index weekly chart. The price was here all the way to 127 extension of this drop. And I said it's going to stop here and then start dropping here. So far as of last week, you can see here that this is what happened here. Exactly from there, it dropped all the way down here, right? So now the question is that how it is coming down and how far it's going to go and what fashion is going to go down. So I was also tracking this drop on the smaller time frame, which was like this one. So once it start dropping, it happens, see, it start dropping from there. So this is the way it came down. So after wave 1 and 2, I was uh, looking at the target for wave 3, 161%, which we got here, right there, right? So it's touched the 161%, so it was wave 3. And after that, I said it was going to go up for wave 4, A, B, C fashion. And this is how it usually goes for wave 4. See that? Wave 1, 2, 3, then A, B, C, wave 4, followed by wave 5. So I said that's what it's going to do. And it's going to go up for wave 4, wave A of 4, right? And after that, nice and clean, it went up there. Then I said, okay, somewhere here, it's going to make the turn and go for wave B, right? 1478, below that is 1376. It's not shown here, but that's what it is. So it came down nice and clean to wave 2, 1376. Right? It's a weekly high. Then I said, if it is going to go for wave 4, if it is wave 4, so it's going to go for wave C. So I made the chart here showing that this is going to go for wave C of 4 right from here. It will bounce. And so far it is, when the market closed last Friday, we started to bounce. See this reversal candle and then 3 blue candles, and we closed the week, right? So if I'm right, and I was right all along, from very top. So if I'm right again, and this is going for wave C of wave 4, then what will happen? USD will get strong, right? So with USD get strong, when USD gets strong, this happens. All 7 USD pairs, where 4 of these pairs have USD on the right hand side, with USD strength, they will go down. And these 3, they will go up. So now I have a multiple choice in hand. If this is going, I will be looking for short in these pairs. Well, NUSI USD, I don't trade. So all these 3, and then long for these 2, I don't trade usually, USD franc. So these 3 and these 2, so 5 pairs I will be looking for. 3 in these 3 pairs short and these 3 pairs long. Now, why? Because let me show you. When I was expecting that it's going to drop from there to there, USD gets getting weaker, right? So that means USD, Euro USD and Pound USD will go up, and UJ and UC will go down. So what happened last week based on this? Let me show you. This is, I have, for example, Euro USD supposed to go up and it went up, right? Euro USD. Now, this one went up, and then another Euro USD trade on the 23rd also went up, right? Similarly, Pound USD supposed to go up with the weakness, USD weakness, and look, 140 trade, right? So you follow that, and UJ supposed to go down here, UJ on the 23rd, and UJ on the 24th. 130 pip and 135 pip. So UJ went down. UC, I didn't find the short setup, so there's no trade. But once you expect that, based on USD, that if USD getting weaker, then USD yen is going to go down. Then you look for the short setup, and once you find it, if you have it, and if I find it, my setup with 4 conditions to be met, right? So once I have a proper setup, I pull the trigger. Similarly, right now, when the week starts on Monday, this thing start if this thing start to go up, what I will be seeing or looking for is that these three pairs will show me a short entry, and these two show me a long entry. I mean, these three actually, and these four, right? If you like to trade Aussie USD, that's fine, right? But I don't. So these are the opportunities that will be in hand. And similarly, exactly like this US dollar index, I also have like other indexes like pound index, euro index, yen index is very, very important. Aussie index is very powerful. So what happened is that once you find the direction of the index, you have multiple choice in hand. Literally, I mean, not only one trade. You have choice of several trades. Either you take all of them, or maybe one or two trades out of that. And you usually have a news schedule, right, on the economic calendar for all of these currencies. One, let's say Monday for USD news, Tuesday pound news, Wednesday yen news. So they all move, in their own time, right, one after the other, and you have pairs that you can trade one after the one day you take trades in USD pairs. The other day maybe all yen pairs going to move, so you would ready for that if you are following the yen index, and yen pairs start moving, and you will find your entries and you take it. So this is how it works. So that's what I was, if I'm right about the US dollar index going up for wave C of 4, US dollar gonna get strong. These four pairs will have chance to go down, and these three pairs will have chance to go up. All right. So let's do it next week. All right. If you like what you saw and you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do these analysis, the Elliott wave, the harmonic patterns, and all of that, then you can go on my website, subscribe, and if you are in need of learning everything, then you want to watch and video and sign up for one-on-one course. This is a 10-hour course over the Zoom, right? So I do it and teach every single thing from A to Z, uh, including the trend lines, the SNL levels, the harmonic patterns, and Elliott wave, and then based on these patterns and everything, how to uh, excuse me, how to take the entries from my setup, like Euro USD, for example. I also had a Euro USD. Let me just show you quickly that I had the chart. For example, Elliott wave count, right? This is what it is. I made it on the 21st, that this is ABC wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So it's gonna go up for wave 5. So what happened to this chart? If you can see, and based on that, I took the entries as well, right? And I just showed you my Euro USD long, and basically this is, let me show you Euro USD Elliott wave. Yeah, this is what happened. See that? It went up from here straight up there, and it was like from 02, it went up to 04, 200, 250 pip to the upside. And then I took this the entries from my 20-minute chart. So the same exactly way, pound and all of that. So these Elliott wave count and harmonic patterns, same chart also had the harmonic pattern. Let me show you that, and it made it powerful, because if you have it like that, for example, you see that X A B C D, that's a butterfly pattern, bullish butterfly pattern, supposed to go up, right? And exactly what happened to this chart is the let's say butterfly pattern. This what happened. You see that X A B C D is finished here, and then it's supposed to go up, and it went up straight like that. And I had a couple of trades from with this move, right? Two trades. Similarly, pound, USD, and other pairs are making, some kind, always, pairs at these charts making either Elliott waves or harmonic patterns. You just have to locate them, learn how to locate them, and learn how to use uh, my creative Ivy system to trade these pairs, not pairs, the patterns, perfectly and precisely. All right. So like I said, if you like what you saw, then just go on my website and subscribe and be a part of it. And Like I said, everything is here. You can see the current week trades, so far, all of these trades. For example, look at this oil trade, beautiful US oil, how beautiful this entry, and how many more entries after that. It went all the way to the upside. USD yen, just the opposite, just the same thing, but it's just, it's going up, and this one is coming down. Euro USD, USD yen, this is the first one, then it ended here, and the second one, it ended there, right? In pound USD, look at it, 140 pip from here to the upside. Pound yen, 120 pip, start, Euro USD, USD CAD, look at that, from 7-minute chart. So these are the trades, and this is the system that I just wanted to share with you guys, and be ready for the US dollar going up, getting strong for wave C of 4. It will end somewhere 4, and then it will go down for wave 5, and the pairs will reverse as well. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the week.